not in Portuguese. Cynthia, what's wrong with you? Go. Hey. Again. Hello, meus amores. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Cynthia Paulo in case you don't know me. Today is the day, guys. Today is the day that we are gonna install our wig, guys. I don't want to look at it at the end of this video. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm actually a little bit scared because I'm like, it's gonna work. I don't know. I just want to learn how to do my hair, you know. I don't know. I don't want to depend on other people all the time for me to look beautiful. I want to learn to do my own stuff, taking care of my hair, my makeup. The only thing that I gave up is doing my nails. Literally, guys, I can't. It's just a disaster, you know. And I told you guys that I would do my nails, you know, on my previous video, but I didn't do my nails because when I remove the false nails, is that what you call? Because I don't know, but my nails were looking really bad. I just decided to give them time to recover. I feel like they're starting to look decent now. Before I start doing and show you guys the wig that I bought, you need to do something. You can just come to my channel and watch my videos and go like, go. What are you doing? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, call all your friends, okay, because they're gonna love this channel. Call all of them, please. Girl, please boy, please you. Call your people. Why are you not calling your people? Like, literally, why are you not calling the people? Meus amores, guess who is back? Hey, Annabella, and today she looks flawless. This is the wig that I got. I don't know how I'm gonna look like, but I feel like I'm gonna look pretty. I don't know, the hair looks like this. Today I was watching a lot of wig videos, guys, the whole evening. You know when you watch something you are like, oh my god, this is super easy, but when you do it you're just like, what is it? Trying to do, how you call this in English? I don't know. This in Portuguese is viradas. So I did some ugly viradas. They look really horrible, okay, but that is not important. I look so weird, but we're gonna work. Now that I have this wig cap on, I'm gonna use this got to be spray, and I'm gonna apply, you know, in this area all over my hairline. I'm so scared, guys, because I don't want to make any mistakes. I don't want to look weird. Just decided to cut this area and we are gonna continue applying the spray. I feel like this is taking forever to dry. I'm just gonna use my normal scissor. I think it's gonna work. So is it? I don't know how to cut this. This scissor is really bad. This is how it looks like. I feel like it's not too far, you know, from my hairline. It's okay for me. I don't want it to be too close to my hairline because I don't want to destroy my hairline. I don't want to have any problem with my hair. I'm gonna use my Maybelline foundation. I'm just gonna cover all the parts where I feel like it's necessary. Why do I look bold? This is how I look like, but I'm still gonna use the Gauze Bomb glue. So here is the glue. I just put like this straight to my hairline. I don't know. So we're just gonna put here in front. I'm gonna do this because I don't want this glue to get on my hairline. I don't want to destroy my hairline, so we're gonna move. Now I'm gonna let this glue dry, then I'm gonna put the second layer and then the third one, and then we're gonna continue. I feel like it looks good, you know. I'm just gonna let this glue dry, and then I'm gonna clean the foundation and the glue that is in front. I think I should put a little bit of foundation here. Just don't want to put a lot. Just a bit, you know. So the lace is looking like this. I really didn't put a lot. I'm gonna try it on to see how I'm gonna look like, because guys, I'm not really feeling this wig. I don't know, maybe it's because it's my first time. Guys, my head is really pink. Wait, let me use my mirror. Mirror in the wall, who is cuter than I don't know. Not you. Let me check. Now I feel lost, and I feel like it's fine. I don't know, I feel like I put more foundation in this area. Here I feel like it's fine, but here I definitely need to add more foundation. It's gonna be here, and then it's gonna be here. I'm gonna cut here. Oh my gosh, I think, wait, let me check. I feel like I just cut a lot, guys. Wait. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know what am I doing. Let me just be careful. Meu Deus. Wait, let me check. Yeah, I feel like it's... Hey guys, I feel like it looks good now, so I'm just gonna put the glue. So right now I'm just waiting for it to dry. Let me put it. Maybe it's looking like this. I really like this side, you know, this part, and this one for me looks so amazing. But I don't know, I just feel like here it doesn't look that great. Let me just try to cut the lace. Doesn't need to concentrate because I already don't know what am I doing. I'm gonna come back. So guys, this is how the hair is looking like. I still have to add foundation in here. I'm gonna do my makeup now. So guys, this is the makeup. It's already dark outside. The sunlight is gone. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of foundation. Can you guys see the smoke?
No.
You can see the smoke, right? Let me hold like this, and then boom. I want to give that volume, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Yes. To give me that extra volume, guys. I feel like it looks good. But this side I really like it. But now that I did this side, I don't know. I think like no, this side should be straight. So guys, this is the final result. I don't know, I actually feel pretty. I look different, and I feel like I also look a little bit old. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell, give it a like, and comment down below if you think that I did a good job or not. See you on my next video. Bye.